Today, we're solving a classic heat exchanger problem using some pretty powerful software, Aspen HYSYS. So, what's the puzzle? We need to find the flow rate of the cold stream in this heat exchanger.
Here are all our known values. The goal, figure out that one missing number.
And our tool for the job is Aspen HYSYS, specifically its shell and tube heat exchanger model. First things first, we gotta set up our simulation basis. This basically tells HYSYS what we're using. So for this, we're choosing water as our component and the Peng-Robinson package for the calculations. Okay, let's jump into the simulation. We'll start by adding our two water streams. First up is the hot stream. We'll plug in all its conditions, including that 100 kilograms per hour flow rate. Now for the cold stream. We add what we know, but leave the mass flow blank. That's our unknown. All right, time for the main event. Let's add the heat exchanger and hook up our streams. Easy enough. The hot stream goes into the tube side, and the cold stream goes to the shell side.
Streams are connected. Now let's pop over to the parameters page to define the model specs.
We're going to keep it simple and set the pressure drop to 0 for both sides. Nice and ideal. We're so close. The last thing to do is just enter those outlet temperatures on the worksheet. So we'll enter 190 for the hot outlet and 150 for the cold. Now, just watch what happens next. And boom, there's our answer. HYSYS instantly crunched the numbers. It's 55.21 kilograms per hour. So let's do a super quick recap of how we got here. It was actually pretty straightforward. In just a few steps, we defined everything, plugged in what we knew, and let the software do the work. And that really shows you the power of simulation, right? It handles all the complex balances for you. You know, you could use the same process to solve for temps or even heat flow. So what would you solve for next?